Hello guys, welcome to this session. Today we are going to discuss top 30 MCQs on chemistry. If you are preparing for any competitive exam, then all these questions will remain very helpful for you. So let us start our session. Your first question is amalgam is a term used for an alloy of a metal with A option is copper, B option is mercury, C option is lead and D option is aluminium. So right answer is option B, that is mercury. Your next question is DTT. Bleaching powder and gamexine are important compounds of A option is chlorine, B is nitrogen, C option is sulfur and D option is phosphorus. So right answer is option A, that is chlorine. Your next question is lysergic acid diethylamide is a drug used as A option is steroid, B option is sedative, C option is analgesic and D option is hallucinogen. So right answer is option D, that is hallucinogen. Next question is LPG is a hydrocarbon consisting of a mixture of A option is methane and butane, B option is propane and butane, C option is ethane and propane and last option is ethane and butane. So LPG having a mixture of propane and butane, that is option B is the right answer. Your next question is what is kerosene oil? So there are different options. You can pause the video and read out all these options. I am sharing with you the right one. So right answer आएगा option A, that is kerosene oil is an unconventional oil produced from the pyrolysis, hydrogenation and thermal dissolution of oil shales. Next question is which among the following was the first human-made plastic? A option is bakelite, B is polyethylene, C option is celluloid and D option is nylon. So right answer is option C, that is celluloid was the first human-made plastic. Further, देखिए कुछ important points. The first human-made plastic was made by Alexander Parks in 1855 when he synthesized celluloid. मीन्स जो ह्यूमन मेड प्लास्टिक सेलुलॉइड है उसको इन्वेंट किया गया था बाय अलेक्जेंडर पार्क्स के द्वारा. राइट. फर्दर देखिए नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज द फर्स्ट ट्रू प्लास्टिक वाज मेड इन द ईयर 1909 व्हेन लियो बेकेलैंड सिंथेसाइज्ड बेकेलाइट. राइट. सो अगर पूछा जाए व्हाट वाज द ट्रू प्लास्टिक, तो आपको याद रखना है बेकेलाइट. Next question is gargling with a solution of table salt is known to provide relief for a sore throat because A option is it kills bacteria, B option is it works as analgesic, C option is it hydrates water from inflammatory tissue by osmosis, and D option is placebo effect. So right answer is option C, that is it dehydrates water from inflammatory tissue by osmosis. Your next question is the potassium graphite and calcium graphite can be mostly used as which among the following? A option is moderators, B is semiconductors, C option is superconductors and D option is lubricants. So right answer is option C, that is superconductors. Next question is which among the following mineral is also known as horn silver? A option is silver iodide, B option is silver chloride, C option is zinc phosphate and D option is silver sulfide. So right answer is option B, that is silver chloride. वो जो है horn silver भी कहा जाता है and the formula is AgCl. Next question is polymetallic modules predominantly contains A option is calcium, B is magnesium, C option is manganese and D option is copper. So right answer is option C, that is manganese. Your next question is the colors in the fine cut diamond are because of which of the following? A option is variance in transparency of diamond, B option is variance in index of refraction, C option is presence of impurities and D option is existence of definite planar layers. So right answer is option C, that is presence of impurities. Next question is benzopene, perisulfane, phaser, theodon, thionex, etc. are the names of which among the following pesticides? A option is capone, B option is paraquat, C option is endosulfane and D option is toxaphene. So right answer is option C, that is endosulfane. Next question is an aqueous solution of sodium acetate will be of which among the following nature? A option is acidic, B is basic, C option is neutral, D option is either acidic or basic depending upon the temperature of solution. So right answer is option B, that is basic. The aqueous solution of sodium acetate is basic in nature. Next question is aluminum is getting popular worldwide today as a green metal. Which among the following properties of aluminum makes it a green metal? A option is aluminum has been providing a replacement of wood for saving forests and contributes in environment protection. B option is aluminium is light metal and it is resistant to corrosion. Your third option is aluminium has a fairly high rate of recycling and it can be used repeatedly without its quality deteriorating. And D option is the lands after bauxite mining can be destroyed very quickly and easily. So right answer is option C, that is aluminium has a fairly high rate of recycling and it can be used repeatedly without its quality deteriorating. So that's why aluminium is getting popular worldwide as a green metal. Next question is which among the following substances is being used most commonly for producing synthetic jet fuel? A option is coal, B option is natural gas, C option is plastic waste and D option is biomass. So right answer is option A, that is coal. Next question is a baby diaper if tested with various solution will absorb maximum amount of which among the following? A option is distilled water, B option is drinking water, C is hard water and D option is urine. So right answer is option A, that is distilled water. Next question is the first metal to be used by men was. A option is aluminium, B is copper, C is iron, D is silver. So right answer is option B, that is copper. Copper was the first metal which is used by the man. Next question is for respiration in deep sea, divers use mixture of which gases? A option is oxygen and helium, B is oxygen and hydrogen, C option is oxygen and carbon dioxide, and last option is oxygen, helium and nitrogen. So right answer is option D, that is oxygen, helium and nitrogen. Next question is the minimum temperature at which combustible substance catch fire is called. A option is fireless temperature, B option is ignition temperature, C option is static temperature and D is optimum temperature. So right answer is option B, that is ignition temperature. Next question is Haber process is used to produce which among the following? A option is potash, B is ammonia, C option is urea, and D option is nitrates. So right answer is option B, that is ammonia. Your next question is if a hydrogen atom is removed from a hydrocarbon of benzene group, the remaining residue is called. A option is alkyl, B option is aryl, C option is arene, and D option is azine. So right answer is option B, that is aryl. Next question is which among the following kinds of chemical reaction cause the rocks turn red or yellowish? A option is hydration, B is oxidation, C option is carbonation and D option is exfoliation. So right answer is option B, that is oxidation. Next question is which among the following is the unit of the scale used for measurement of the spicy heat of a chili pepper? A option is Smith, B is Wright, C option is Orville and D option is Scoville. The right answer is option D, that is Scoville. Next is every kilogram of seawater has approximately how much dissolved salt? A option is 1 gram, B option is 0.35 gram, C option is 3.5 gram and D option is 35 gram. So right answer is option D, that is 35 gram. That is every kilogram of seawater has 35 gram of dissolved salt. Next question is gypsum is added to cement so that A option is setting of cement can be fastened, B option is setting of cement can be slowed down, and C option is cement strength can be improved, and last option is cement strength can be controlled. So right answer is option B, that is gypsum is added to cement so that setting of cement can be slowed down. That is option B is the right answer. Your next question is the color of carmine is shade of which among the following colors? A option is red, B is blue, C is yellow, and D option is green. So right answer is option A, that is red. Your next question is gunmetal is an alloy of which among the following? A option is copper and zinc, B is copper and tin, C option is zinc and tin, and last option is copper, zinc, and tin. So right answer is option D, that is copper, zinc, and tin. Next question is which among the following is a fool's gold? A option is copper sulfate, B is iron sulfide, C option is brass, and D option is silver bromide. So right answer is option B, that is iron sulfide और iron pyrite को जो है fool's gold कहा जाता है. Okay. Next question is when a piece of quicklime is dipped in water, it gives bubble. This bubble is due to which of the following? A option is oxygen, B is carbon dioxide, C option is water vapor, and D is hydrogen. So right answer is option C, that is water vapor. So that's all for today guys. I hope that you love the content. So please give a one thumbs up to the video. We will meet soon in the next session. Till then, bye bye guys and take care.